got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique. BUD and cash spitting that dope shit. Seattle go.
And another one, y'all. Diamond Dust Sunburst. Out of this world, man. Let's get that over here so y'all can see what that thing's gonna be shining like in the sunshine, man. And it's ironically called Sunbursts. Our most popular style, hands down, of 2021, man. I'm doing so many of these, polished in silver and diamond dust with sunbursts, and cannot make this stuff up, man. Thank you to all the customers, man. They've been out there being patient. Thank you to all the customers that try to complain as much as possible as well, too. Thank you guys, man. I noticed that men love to complain to men more than anything, man. You know, Jesus Christ. So yeah, we're speeding it up, guys. We're getting sped up, but we do not like sacrificing quality. We do appreciate everybody that understands custom jewelry and that it does take time, and that also businesses go through things, man. So we are getting it back, y'all. Getting it back. Public service announcement. Fred. The family is doing the thing, man. So thank you, everybody, that been coming in and been appreciating the fact that this is a family business, and I will take care of you guys. The devil was definitely working. The devil was definitely working in 2021. That's not, you know, speaking about nobody in particular, but the devil, you know. But yeah, man. Shout out everybody out there in my lives, man. All the channels that been supporting, man. You guys are the best. Hope you guys have a blessed week, guys, and stay safe. Peace out.
I got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique. BUD and cash spitting that dope shit. Seattle gold grills tighter than roast clips. Send you a mo kit, send you a mo kit. I got gold bricks, slug up your whole